browsing to the internet while your airplane mode is on? Is this possible? Hey guys, this is Raymart from Raymart TV, and before that, let's do the intro. Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel guys. So for today's video guys, I will teach you how to do the airplane mode trick while you can browse to the internet. So before that, we will shout out these following names. So shout out to Jera Laberas, to Bincel Captured, to Thomas Ryan Tangile, to Paul Noman, to Felix Peralta, to Feligia Amate, to Carl Sid 19, to Dontech TV, to Genrex Enriquez, but last but not the least, to Mr. Jan. So guys, if you want to be mentioned in my next video, just comment down below and I will take note for that. So as you can notice guys, I'm speaking in English right now because this trick is for everybody. So I have a international viewers from other country guys who expect me now to speak in English. So sorry for my English guys. So that this trick is so important. So this is applicable to you guys, no? So while you are playing in online games, then you don't want to be interrupt. So this trick is amazing. This is like a magic. So this is applicable in Mediatek and Snapdragon Android phone guys, no? So first, to do the airplane mode tricks while browsing the internet, so you need to first to on your data. Yes, you need to on your data. After you on your data, then click the airplane mode and then go to your dialer and type asterisk number sign asterisk number sign, then 4636 number sign asterisk number sign asterisk, and then choose the SIM that you are using, no? So for me, I use the phone information too, and then you will see this mobile radio power here. So you need to turn it on, and you need to turn it on guys, no? So after that, exit now, and you try to connect to the VPN you're using right now, no? So just wait. So guys, as you can see, I am connected my VPN right now, which is connected. As you can see that, and you see my notification guys. Airplane mode is already on. So amazing, right? So we will try it in YouTube. So this is, I guess, the YouTube is running smoothly, as you can see. So we will try to play a little bit video. As you can see guys, the video is running smoothly while the airplane mode is on. So easy guys. So follow my video. So try this another video. Yan. So the video is playing guys, no? So even if the airplane mode is on, so if this trick is not working on your Android guys, so you can download another app called Force 4G 4G LTE Force. you can download this 4G Force LTE in the Play Store, and then you will click this advanced settings and you can see this. So every phone is different, guys, no? So you can download this on the Play Store, Force 4G LTE. Then you can open yan. So guys, so that is for now this video, guys, no? Sorry for my English, because I can speak English fluently, so you can laugh it now. So thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you get amazed by my video right now. So if you want to shout out your name, if you want to mention your name, comment down below, guys, so I can mention your name in the next video. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys, and click the notification bell icon so you will notified if I uploaded a video soon. So thanks for watching, guys, and this is Raymond from Raymond TV from the Philippines, and hope to share this video from others so your friends will know this trick. So thanks for watching, guys, and bye bye.